The role of women as catalysts for change and development has once again come to the fore during the inauguration of Umuada Akwu Group, with a charge on them to live up to the group's name. Correspondent Kenneth Kuchko reports that the Ukpo community-based non-governmental organization seeks to foster peace, unity and progress in Ukpo, the Nkofi local government area of Anambra State. His report.
The chairman on the occasion, Dr. Obi Onwakba, in his address, commended the women for thinking it wise to form the organization for the growth and interests of the community, especially working towards philanthropic initiatives, advising them to live up to the name of the group and be wary of the kind of women accepted and inducted into the group.
As go to our association, and they are indeed putting a I've looked at your vision, I've looked at your mission, and I've looked at your article of association. But I want to show you that you grow. Once you make sure that people that are coming into your meetings are people you know you can vouch for.
The chairperson of the group, Mrs. Ifeoma Nweze, while enumerating the aims and objectives of the group, revealed that the group is made up of duly married daughters of Ukpo, both within Ukpo and elsewhere, with the primary objective of promoting peace. The aims and objectives of the group, she noted, to include development of Ukpo community through human capacity development by empowering youths and women through skills, formal education of underprivileged children in school from primary to tertiary, and supporting families with palliatives, amongst others.
Ukpo is a union of sisters, two daughters of Ukpo who are duly married. We have come together as a body to be a beacon of truth and to foster peace in our community as a whole.
Some members of the group, including Mrs. Ebele Onyekachukwu and Mrs. Onyocha Chidera, explained that the group will always stand for the truth in settling feud between individuals and families through fair hearing and standing for the interests of the community, and disclosed that they have visited a lot of motherless babies' homes to support them. In his remarks, Mr. Chukwu Gozie Ilo Ikolobia and Chief Jidofo Okoye noted that community development requires the contribution of everyone, and noted that the group is on the right track to bring about growth and development in Ukpo. The group earlier called on the traditional ruler of Ukpo Palace, Igwe Robert Eze, while distribution of tubers of yam, bags of rice, formed the high point of the event. From Ukpo, it's been Kenneth Chukwudi for ABS News.